Hi Vogue, I'm Eleanor Pendleton and I'm going to show you my beauty routine for glowing skin. Now the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I have a big glass of water, but I like to boost my water and spike it with a little bit of the Beauty Chef Collagen Inner Beauty Boost. I like to take just about 15 mils and pour it into a glass of water, and it's full of probiotics, which is good for your gut and for your skin as well. My next step is cleansing my face. So I like to wet my face with a bit of water first. And then I take my cleanser, Sadashi Clay Cleanser with lime. It smells amazing, especially in the morning. I just like to take this much and massage it onto my skin. It's really nice to just kind of take the time and get that circulation going. And then I wash it off with water. So next I need to prep my skin, and to do that I use Facial Treatment Essence by SK-II. I've used this for probably about 10 years now, and I use it every single morning and night after I've cleansed but before my serum. So I just generally take 3 to 4 drops in the palm of my hand, and then I just pat it straight onto my skin. If I have a spare 10 minutes, or I've got a special event that day, or I just had a really bad sleep like I did last night, I like to do an eye mask. And Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair eye masks are fantastic because I can just put them on, leave them on for 10 minutes and brush my teeth. There's really no right or wrong way. You can either put it on this way if you've got puffiness and dark circles, or if you want to address fine lines and wrinkles, you can put it on this way. The next product I use is my secret weapon. This is the workhorse of my entire skincare routine, and it's my serum, Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. I like to take 1 pump into the palm of my hand and just pat it onto my skin. I love it because it's so lightweight and it's full of hyaluronic acid, which is super hydrating. Then I like to use this guy. This is my Jade Roller, and I like to keep it in the fridge so it's extra cold, and I use it to massage my serum into my skin. It's also good for getting rid of dark circles, especially when you had 3 hours sleep like I did last night. Then I use this little guy, my eye cream. I just like to use a small amount, only about a pea size, like that. Rub it in between my ring fingers, and then I like to dab it onto my eyes. Never pulling and never swiping, just because that eye area is so delicate. Then if I have any left over, got a little bit left on my fingers, just pop it onto the lips. I'm almost done, but next is moisturizer. This guy, this little French number is from a French pharmacy, which is also beauty editor approved on Gritty Pretty. It's Embryolisse Lait Creme Concentrate, and I love this face cream because it's really milky, it's really lightweight, it's amazing for every skin type, and the best part about it is it's so beautiful under makeup. Whenever I use this moisturizer, I feel like I don't need to use a primer. And then lucky last is a face mist. I want to seal in all those beautiful products into my skin, so I'm using this one from BioEffect. Just quick spritz. And that's my routine for glowing skin. Now I'm ready for makeup. That's it, I'm ready to glow.